Guess who's back? It's Sweat with the Sweat Experience. And look at me. I'm all off in a furnace. And I don't even know anything about furnaces. All I know is the other day I got up and about 12 o'clock at night and it was a little bit more chillier in here than it normally has been. So in the middle of the night, I'm up trying to see what's going on up in this thing. I hear a humming, but ain't nothing shaking, ain't nothing kicking on. So I finally go back to sleep about 2:30. You know, had to get up in the fives, somewhere in that morning. I just got to researching to see and this is what I come up with. It's called an inducer motor. So I'm thinking this might be the culprit. See how they got that little slide on the side? We straight right here. We straight over there. Let me see. Got the little slide on the side. We straight over here. And we straight down there. Looking like that. Looking like that. So, hey, let me get to it. I got to take this screw out. Hold on. Where? It's a screw. Hold on. What I'm looking at? Oh, it's the screw right there. Got to take that screw out. And knowing my luck, it's a couple more in there. Take this vent off. I got to try to get to it. I already got it turned off over here on the side. It's turned off. And I need the heat back on. It's cold in here. I'll be back. All right, I got it off of there, y'all. I'm going to wipe that down some. That's that little hose that was stuck, that was on the oven. But I got this gasket. Is it double-sided tape or how do I stick it on there and put it back up in there? I don't know. I'm trying, but that ain't no double-sided tape. Man. I'm gonna work it out. I'll be back. Hey, y'all, look. I think we got him. He kicked on. No noise. No metal grinding or nothing like that. And look. What a beautiful sight. Because it's cold in here. He's back on. He's back on. Hey. Never miss a chance to keep moving forward. And I'll holler back.